Are you curious about how to find drafts on Instagram? In this video, I will show you in detail the best way to find and manage all of your drafts. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to access your saved drafts and make sure your posts don't get lost in the mix. Plus, I'll share some tips for keeping your drafts organized so they're easy to find when you need them. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application, and then, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to save a post as a draft. To do that, I'm going to swipe right, select the post option, and then simply share a random photo from my gallery. And now I'm on the final page where I can share the post, so instead of sharing this, I'm going to go back again. And now a pop-up will appear. From this pop-up, I'm simply going to select Save Draft. And now I have saved that as a draft. So let me show you exactly how to find your saved drafts. Let's start by going back to the Instagram homepage and then tapping on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap on the plus icon at the top right-hand side of the screen, and then select Post. Once you are on this screen, simply tap where it says Drafts. And now you'll be able to see all of the drafts you saved on Instagram. You can select any one of these drafts and post them on Instagram. Also, you can delete any of these drafts by tapping on where it says Manage, then tapping on Edit. Then selecting the draft that you want to delete, then tapping Done. And finally tapping Discard Post, which will get rid of that saved draft. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.